differential manometer, how to write the pressure head equation. So here I didn't mark mercury heights. Just take wherever mercury level is low, that is the datum line. Here in the right hand side, this mercury level is low. I am taking this is the datum line. I am marking Z and Z. Mark the heights if they are not given. So this is one liquid of S1 specific gravity. Let us assume like that. This is the mercury and this is specific gravity is, let us assume H2. Mark the heights. I am taking this height is H1, okay, and this height is H2, okay, and then this side we are taking some S3 specific gravity. So this height from the center of this to this part, I am taking this height is H3. Okay, all the heights I am considering from this datum line. Okay, now write the pressure head equation. So here also left hand side pressure head is equal to right hand side pressure head. Okay, we have to assume like that for equilibrium of this gauge or manometer. Let us take the left hand side. So pressure head at A point is HA. These heights are below the bulb, so I am taking positive, plus because of this height pressure head is H1 S1, H1 S1. Again left hand side mercury height H2 H2 plus H2 H2. This part, as I told previously, we are not considering symmetrical one. Below the datum line part is symmetrical, so is equal to, there are no other heights this side. This side S3 fluid is there, so because of it, because of H3, pressure head is H3 S3, H3 S3. Okay. Pressure head at D is equal to HB. Okay. So our main aim is we need to find the difference of 2 points, pressure head HA minus HB. Here I will write the equation HA as it is minus HB is equal to this term as it is H3 S3. So minus of these two terms, minus of H1 S1 minus of, sorry, plus as it is these two terms, minus we took on H2 H2. So this is the pressure head equation of the given differential manometer. Okay, let us take this is the pipe A. We are connecting to pipe A and pipe B is at more height. In this also we have to find HA minus HB because we are taking two different points. So in it pressure head equation is equal to, so here first mark the heights. Okay, wherever it is lower mercury level, take that is the datum line Z and Z. Only one liquid. Let us take this is specific gravity is S1 and the height is I am taking H1 and up to this level mercury is there. I am taking this height is some H2 and here we are taking some other liquid. Let us take the value specific gravity is some S1 we took here. Here we are taking H2 for this. For this take S3. Okay, take the mark the height. Okay, the height is, let us take H3. Always remember, don't write again H1, just different H1 H2 H3. It is our wish. We can start from here also H1 H2 H3 like that. Write pressure head equation. Left hand side pressure is equal to, pressure head is equal to right hand side pressure head. Okay, now what is pressure head at A point? HA. This height is lower than this, plus H1 S1. There are no other heights below this datum line. We are not considering, it is symmetrical one, is equal to, what is the next one? Next height H2 H2, it is pressure head, plus H3 S3. Why we are taking plus means these heights are below this bulb or below the pipe, center of the pipe. Plus what is the pressure head at B point? HB. Okay, our main aim is we have to find HA minus HB. Write down HA minus HB is equal to this term as it is H2 H2 plus H3 S3 minus of H1 S1. Okay, this is the pressure head difference between A and B bulb. Okay, always remember this pressure head will come in terms of meters of water, okay, or centimeters of water. If you are taking H1, all heights are in centimeters, we will get centimeters of water. The answer is